Grab your discounted premium soldering iron kit while the store launch discount is on. Features 1x60 watts solder iron US plug, 110 volts, 1x desoldering pump, 1x tin wire tube, tin/lead, 4060, Relux, 1.8%, Dia, 1.0 mm, NT, 10 grams, 1x soldering iron stand with sponge, 5x soldering iron tip, IKB3C 1.60, 2x tweezers, bent tip, straight tip, 6x soldering tool, 1x screwdriver, contain 4 spare screwdriver head, 2x electronic wire, 1x mini wire stripper, 1x storage bag. Ergonomic design, lightweight, ergonomic handle that helps you move from different angles without feeling tired. Included metal bracket securely supports the heating pen during work, eliminating the hassle of worry. Go to tpdepot.com/products/premium-soldering-iron-kit.